Videos goes to I'm Hotel. I'm Hotel is the first 5-star hotel in Makati and houses the first onsen spa in the Philippines. The infinity pool is an iconic element of the property, which can be seen upon entering the lobby. It is just near City Garden Hotel, or you can type I'm Hotel on Waze. Have you ever tried pooping with a view? Let's go visit I'm Hotel's rooftop bar. On the rooftop, Antidote bar features cocktails and tapas. The highlight of the bar is this big jellyfish tank, where diners can enjoy the ambient light in the backdrop of the cityscape. Let's try their 3-course modern Spanish menu. Yum! Caviar butter with house-made baguette. For appetizer, we had Wagyu cubes, ricotta, and crostini. The second one was croquettes with Gouda cheese, and the last one was smoked quail eggs, ricotta, and mint mousse. For my main course, I got arroz negre. It's like calamares on squid ink rice. Lastly, my dessert. They served us tiramisu. Yum! The overall experience is 2,400 pesos that includes the spa and the food already. Not bad. Videos rating 4 stars for the relaxing treat. Thanks for watching.